area, watch the swing.
Clear for the lift.
Alignment on the front strap, make sure it clears the wheel. For the lift. Ready for the lift. All right, hold it there, secure the load. Unhooking the top connection now. Got it, keep it steady, watch the studs. Clear space ready over here.
This panel fought me the whole way.
Clear the chain, we're ready to lift.
All right, lowering the jack now.
Fusion and fracture on wheel 3.
Perfect, hold it right there. And then start the welding repairs.
The sound of a grease pencil rubbing against metal.
Pin ready. Roger that, moving on. One for these bolts.
Precise before we secure it.
I have the mounting hardware ready.
Make sure it seats flush.
Yep, got it. It's seated.
Perfect.
We are ready for the final coat.
Wheels are perfect.
Prouder of how Thomas turned out.
Bring it down slowly.
Perfect.